ontological argument for the existence of God is a pretty abstract argument. This argument says that if it's even possible that God exists, then God actually exists. The ontological argument says that it's possible that a maximally great being exists. If it's possible that a maximally great being exists, then a maximally great being exists in some possible world. If a maximally great being exists in some possible world, then it exists in every possible world. If a maximally great being exists in every possible world, then it exists in the actual world. Therefore, a maximally great being exists in the actual world. Therefore, God exists. Although a common objection to this argument asks if we can use the same method of reasoning to say that other maximally great things exist, such as a maximally great pizza. Can we say that since it's logically possible that a maximally great pizza exists, that means that a maximally great pizza actually exists? And clearly the answer is no. This argument doesn't work for a maximally great pizza like it does for a maximally great being, because there aren't certain qualities that would make a pizza to be maximally great, since pizza's greatness is determined by subjective preferences of what people like on pizza. Unless, of course, you have bacon on pizza, in which case that's obviously an objectively maximally better pizza than a pizza without bacon. Also, in order for a pizza to be a maximally great pizza, it would have to be a necessary pizza that must exist, in which case we wouldn't be able to eat the pizza, and I think that's the best part about pizza is eating it. So the idea of a maximally great pizza is a logically inconsistent idea, so a maximally great pizza cannot exist. This entire argument hinges on premise 1. It's possible that a maximally great being exists, and the rest of the argument follows logically. Therefore, if we admit that it's even possible that God exists, then, according to this argument, God actually exists in the real world. However, the idea of God does not seem to be a logically inconsistent idea, so it's at least possible that God exists, and according to the ontological argument, if God possibly exists, then he must actually exist in the actual world.